Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we will work on how to rename a video file from external storage. Now for renaming the video file we will show alert dialog to the user that will contain a title and edit text through which user can change the name of video to whatever he wants, and two buttons OK and cancel. Now let's open the video files adapter. Here in on click listener of menu more, below this on click listener, create bs view dot find view by id r dot id dot rename id dot set on click listener, new on click listener. When user will click on rename file, we will show a alert dialog to the user. Create alert dialog dot builder, variable will be alert dialog, new alert dialog dot builder, pass the context, Control Shift Enter. Here we will first set title to alert dialog. Set title will be rename to, and create edit text so user can rename the video file to whatever he wants. New edit text, pass context here. Below here create string variable of path video list dot get position dot get path. Now create an object of file, variable will be file, new file, create a string variable, variable will be video name, file dot get name, this will get the name of file. Now we will take the video name variable, video name dot substring 0 to video name dot last index of dot. Here also we have to pass the path here in file. Now let me explain this line of code with an example. Let's suppose we have a file with name abc.mp4. As we are getting the video file name here with extension that will save to this variable, and here we are removing the extension using substring. Substring is from 0 to dot, means 0 means start. From start to this dot, that will remove this mp4 extension, and only this variable contains the video file name with no extension. Now let's remove this. We have to set the video name to edit text, edit text dot set text, pass video name, alert dialog dot set view, pass edit text here, and on the last edit text dot request focus. Now we have to create two buttons, OK and cancel. Alert dialog dot set positive button will be OK, comma, new dialog interface dot on click listener. When user will click on OK after changing the name of file, we will create a string variable here. String variable will be only path, because this variable will contain only path without file name. Here file dot get parent file dot get absolute path, this will return the path of video file. String, here we will get the extension, variable will be ext, file dot get absolute path, ext is equal to extension dot substring extension dot last string of dot. Below this extension create a string variable, variable will be new path, only path, plus in double quotes slash again plus. Here we are getting the video file name that is changed by user in edit text of alert dialog. get edit text dot get text dot toString in plus parser extension, Control Shift Enter. Now also let me explain this line of code with an example here. Let's suppose we have a video file name with path media /video /abc.mp4. Here this complete path will be saved in only path variable, and here we are using slash. This is that slash, and abc, that is the file name changed by user, and on the last file name with extension .mp4. This complete path of video file will be changed in new path variable below here. Create a file object, new file, pass new path here, Control Shift Enter. Create a boolean variable, rename file dot rename to new file. Now we have to check if the video is renamed or not by using if statement. If rename, Control Shift Enter. Create content resolver context dot get application context dot get content resolver. Below here, resolver dot delete media store dot files dot get content URI. In double quotes we have to write external here, comma, in below line again create media store dot media columns dot data, that will be for path, plus in double quotes equal and question mark outside of double quotes, comma, new string. Select the string of array type, select second one, string. Now we can take the curly brackets to below line. In curly brackets, file dot get absolute path. Below here we have to create intent, new intent dot action underscore media. Select first one, action media scanner scan file. Intent dot set data, create URI dot from file, pass the variable new file, context dot get application context dot send broadcast, pass the intent here, and on the last we have to notify data set changed and create a toast context. Toast will be video renamed. Now in else statement, if video is not renamed, we have to show a toast context. Toast will be process failed. Now below this OK button, OK positive button, we have to create a negative button. Alert dialog, set negative button. Negative button will be cancel, comma, new dialog interface dot on click listener. When user will click on cancel, we will remove the, means we will dismiss the dialog dot dismiss, and on the last alert dialog dot create dot show and bottom sheet dialog dot dismiss. Now let's run the app. Our app is installed. Open the app. Open any folder, click on rename video. Here I am changing the name of this to video player. Click on OK. Video is not renamed. Let's close the app and open it again. Now you can see the video is renamed with the video player name. Our video is renamed, but we do not want to close the app and open it again anytime when user rename video file. For preventing this, we have to write 2 lines of code below video renamed text. Here create system clock dot sleep. We have to sleep the system for 200 milliseconds. Here create parenthesis, again parenthesis, activity, outside of parenthesis, context dot recreate. This will refresh the app automatically and there will be no need to close and open the app again. Now let's run app again. Open the app, open folder, click on rename. I am renaming the file with my name. Click on OK. Now you can see the video is renamed immediately after clicking on OK. Now if I click on cancel, video is not renamed because we have clicked on cancel and alert dialog is dismissed. Now that's all for this tutorial. We will work on how to share the video file from external storage in next tutorial. Until then, Allah Hafiz.